Hello everyone. Now we'll discuss how to design a monostable multivibrator using 555 timer. So it's a monostable multivibrator. The meaning here is the output can only be observed once we give the triggering pulse. Unlike a stable multivibrator which works without input, here in the monostable multivibrator we need a triggering pulse at pin number 2 through a capacitor of 0.01 microfarad. So we have the circuit diagram here. IC 555 timer. Output is observed from pin number 3 and a freewheeling diode is connected, a 10 kilo ohm resistor and Ra equals 22 kilo ohm. First we will come to the design part. So the formula for monostable multivibrator is given by Tp equals 1.1 into Ra into C. So value of capacitor I am choosing 0.1 microfarad. Tp I am taking it as 2.2 millisecond. It can be taken at any value. Instead of 2.2 we can design for any other Tp. So this is the time period. If you want to calculate the frequency, 1 by T is the frequency. The same frequency has to be set at input, that means in the signal generator. Now 1.1 Ra into C equal to Tp. So Ra into C equals Tp divided by 1.1 into C. Now so Ra equals 2.2, since we have assumed Tp equal to 2.2 millisecond, 1.1 into 0.1 microfarad, which is equal to 20 kilo ohm. So nearest standard value we are choosing it as 22 kilo ohm. Now we will connect the circuit as shown in the diagram. So all the connections have been made according to the circuit which is shown here. Now the frequency we have taken around 517 hertz, so which is approximately equal to 1 by T. T we have assumed 2.2 milliseconds. Now if I come to the output part, so this one is the output and this one is the capacitor charging and discharging waveform. So this is observed at pin number 6, this is observed at pin number 3, this is observed at pin number 6. So here we can see capacitor is charging only during the on cycle and capacitor value immediately drops to 0 at off cycle. So that means there is no discharging here. So the maximum value of capacitor here is 1/3 of VCC and the minimum value is 0. Once it comes to 0, then if you want to get the output once again we need to trigger the circuit with the help of triggering pulse. Without triggering pulse it will not work. So the output one cycle is only for one input cycle. That's why we call it as monostable circuit. Whereas in the case of astable, it will automatically move between 1/3 of VCC to 2/3 of VCC. Thank you.